Strategyworks. We are one of the finest applied digital marketing training institute. We have created thousands of working professionals, and many of them are working with companies like Wipro, Publicis Group, Dentsu Aegis Network, Target, and there are many more other companies which are part of the network where our students are working. They all have taken our flagship product, which is Advanced Digital Marketing Certificate Program. This is the program which is liked by most of the professionals because this is a full-time 3 months exhaustive program. Here you are learning for 150 hours. These 150 hours are not only going to make you learn digital marketing, but you are learning other different aspects of marketing, sales, business development, and other things as well. Our teaching methodology has been 90% practical oriented. People learn by doing these things. Our program, we do not only teach people digital marketing, but we also make you learn other things as well. Like, we prepare you for the interviews. We help you building your resume. We also make you ready to appear or clear these certifications. We make you exclusively ready for the certification programs from Google, Hubspot, and Facebook Blueprint as well. The coolest thing about the program is, here the students learn from the real businesses. They work on the real projects and solve the business problems of the real businesses as well. And that is how their learning curve is getting on a higher side.
They have like coupons for makeup.
But there's only one thing which we do not do here in our course. We do not do spoon feeding. It means you have to do the things on your own. You have to learn by doing it yourself. We make you ready for the future, and tomorrow when you are going to join an organization, we want you to be capable enough to handle the project, handle the work on your own. That is what is our motto, to make you the best digital marketer in the industry. Most of our students, they have appreciated our faculties. Our faculties, they are really highly trained in the industry. They are from the industry, and they treat you as not just a student, but as a future managers into the organization. So we treat you, give the same respect, and we expect you to behave and perform like a manager of an organization. Here are some of the stories from our students, how they have made an impact in their life after going through this 3 months advanced digital marketing program.
I'm Sarvana. I'd like to share my experience of the course I'm currently doing with Strategyworks. Mr. Jayant is my trainer, and the course I'm undergoing is Certificate Program in Advanced Digital Marketing. It's a 3 months program. It helps you in the complete understanding of what a digital marketing is and how it is to be done. So here,
an excellent trainer. He ensures a perfect blend of theory and practical during the training. His class assignments and projects focus on putting the theory into practice, whether it is the website, SEO, social media, or more.
I approached lots of institutes and finally also chanced upon Strategyworks. Strategyworks kind of impressed me right from the start because the owner himself, the founder himself, was a coach and a trainer. Whereas in other institutes, most of these trainers, they were employees. So if you need some help or some reference or some assistance after the program is over, God help you. It's almost inconceivable to even, meet them once again.
And if you think you are inspired, so only inspiration certainly cannot give you something. You have to go and do the work. You have to do an act. You have to go and take an action. And that is where we say the inspiration and action has to go hand in hand. So take your first step today and sign up for a demo live session with us and experience the class by yourself.